Hello. So this is our Ryokan. They have come in to set it up for the evening. There's Sarah. Hi, Sarah. We opened the window. We assume that's okay. This is my attempt at organizing the Yutata. That's going to be another ordeal, trying to get that on. And there's the Ninja brochure. Yay, Ninja! So what I really wanted to show were the amenities in the bathroom. Are you ready for this? Okay, so we have what appears to be soap, which is fine. Soap, good. We have, I think this is a cup, so that's nice, very sanitary. We have herb water. No idea what this is for, but it is rosemary, sage, and chamomile, so that must be lovely, right? Then we have, we have hair liquid. It says on the bottom, hair liquid. No idea what the hair liquid is. And next we have hair tonic. Hair tonic. I figure I'm going to put it on my hair and see what happens. I don't know. It's a Japanese shower, right? That appears to be shampoo and conditioner, perhaps. Full sink. And that's me. Hi. Welcome to our Ryokan.